once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. And damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date, you're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall. I'm falling fast, sitting here praying that this night's gonna last. You got it all on tap, I'm loving your vibe, always have your back. We like all the same tracks, listen all night in the sheets all black. Said I'm falling fast, don't remember life before you, that's facts. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date, you're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall.
Some camera related things and some other things in there, and he's throwing away some flashes and stuff, and there's a bunch of other camera stuff in here. This is just one of many bags. Here's some more stuff. These are some of the stuff that he's actually keeping. I think. And here's more lighting stuff that he's going to give away. This is also a workout area. So these are some more of his camera stuff that he's currently sorting. I'm not going to be there because I'm currently watching a movie. Yeah, but it's a few. And our workout area. More stuff piled over there, and more stuff here. It's wild. And yep, more stuff right there. He just took out the trash and he's left with these and these flashes in here, those, that, and some other stuff. He's not done sorting out stuff. He needs to get some storage bins and go through this, and I guess he's gonna throw some more stuff. So this is his second trip. He threw away a bunch of stuff last night. I did not get to record anything because it was unplanned. I still didn't record these things either because I was busy watching TV, and he initially said that he was going to go to Walmart tomorrow and get the bins and then sort them out. So I said, okay, then I'll catch you filming doing that. I didn't know that he was going to throw away all those things tonight, so I would have filmed that for you guys, but I missed it. I just realized that he done throw away a bunch of lighting stuff that I could have used for my filming. I'm mad, but I guess I just had those to my birthday or Christmas list, or he's just gonna have to buy me some new ones. He could have given me those old ones, but I guess he's tired of the clutter, so he just decided to throw everything out. So
buy medications and eat $60 a month. So I have to decide.
this is the transformation. I think these are empty. Oh no, it's full. And these are what he's left with. These are Christmas stuff, decoration over there. And these are camera stuff. He did good. 'Cause this is like triple the stuff that he had. And this is all he's left with. He labeled them